Ladies and gentlemen, if you're struggling with the Facebook session expired, I've got a couple ways that you can remove that error altogether and make sure it doesn't happen again. So let's dive in. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this tutorial will be done on an iPhone. However, I will mention some steps for your Android device. So first of all, what we can do is make sure that we're going into our App Store and we need to make sure that our Facebook app is up to date. So let's just dial in Facebook over here, and you will see if over here it says Facebook. If it says open, that means that it's up to date. If it says update, then it needs to be updated. All right. So that's the very first method. The next thing is, if this problem continues to persist, you can actually remove the app and download it again. So just long press the app, and here you can just click on remove app, and this will completely remove it. Once you've removed it, you're going to jump back into that app store and you are going to then re-download it. Now, again, if this is an issue, what we can do is, let's say perhaps Facebook is open. This is what it looks like. And what we're going to do is just do this, and we are going to close the app. All right. So you're going to just swipe it up like this, and this will close the app completely. One of the other things that we can do is, if this really is continuing to persist, we can actually just hold in our power button, and this will allow us to restart our mobile device. You can also, depending on what iPhone you're using, you can swipe down from the top. On the right hand side of your screen, you can just tap the power button at the top over here, and you can then power off your mobile device. So moving on to Android. Android will have options in settings, so you can go in here and find the actual app. So you would actually find the actual Facebook app on your Android device, and then you would look for storage, and you can then clear the cache. Once that is done, you should be able to log straight back into Facebook without having the continuous session expired error. I hope this was helpful.